diagram in which ABCD is a parallelogram, ABL is a line segment, and E is the midpoint of BC. Prove that triangle DCE is congruent to triangle LBE. Second one, AB is equal to BL. Third one, AL is equal to 2DC. So what we have to write first? Given. Write down. Given. First to draw this figure. Completed that, no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
These two triangles are congruent. We have to first take of these objects. Already we explained this in that way. Okay. Now your figure is like this way. So,
It's given
ABCD.
ABCD is a parallelogram.
Given ABCD is a
Parallelogram.
ABCD is a parallelogram.
And BE BE is equal to CE. C as E is the midpoint of BC.
Also given what also E is the midpoint
Midpoint of BC.
BC. That
So BE
is
is equal to
B is equal to that is therefore B is equal to CE.
I'm spotlight.
I did spotlight here. Okay. Okay, now B is equal to CE. Then one more thing we can write. Since ABCD is a parallelogram, AB is equal to here you write ABCD is a parallelogram. That is, we can write what? AB is equal to, therefore AB we can write it as what? AB is equal to CD.
DC.
AB is equal to DC. AB is equal to DC. Okay. AB is equal to DC. Okay. So that 2 points given. The next what we want to write? To prove. To prove what we have to prove. To prove
Triangle DC is congruent to triangle LBE.
triangle. First one DCE is congruent to triangle LBE. Next one AB is equal to
BL.
Third one
AL is equal to 2DC.
2DC. So that 3 points. Then proof. Proof. Start. Consider triangle.
DCE
Consider
and triangle
DE.
LBE. Triangle
DCE and triangle LBE. These two triangles we are considering. Then ABCD is a parallelogram already given. So BC is the transversal. So we can directly write which one? Angle DCE is equal to angle
LBE.
Angle DCE is equal to angle LBE. That means what? Reason is alternate angles. Alternate angles. These two are alternate angles. Then BE is equal to CE. Reason
Given.
E is the midpoint. E is the midpoint. E is the midpoint. Then angle
DEC is equal to angle LBE. LEB.
LEB vertically opposite. Vertically opposite angles. Therefore, vertically opposite angles. Triangle DCE is congruent to triangle LBE.
LBE SAS.
Here angle, this one
No,
side,
no. ASA.
this angle. So ASA.
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 Next, we
ASA.
want to prove AB is equal to BL.
Part okay. Therefore we can write what?
D
DC is equal to
DC is equal to BL.
DC is equal to BL, that is corresponding parts of congruent triangle.
CTC.
CP. Up to this completed, can I rub this?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So next one. DC is
We
equal
want
to
to prove
not prove. For second part, what we have to prove? AB is equal to BL.
B
No?
is equal to BL.
AB is equal to BL, we have to find. So for that, what we can write? AB, that is DC is equal to
AB.
BL, we got. Same that DC, we can write it as, in another form, we can write it as DC is equal to
DC is equal to AB.
AB. So
Therefore, AB.
if you need, write this as equation number 1 and this as equation number 2, that is better. That means what? DC is equal to AB. For your convenience, I am marking it as 1 and 2. Okay. That is what?
Parallel.
Why? Okay, since ABCD is a
ABCD
parallelogram,
is a parallel.
that is what? AB is equal to CD. Parallelogram means opposite sides are parallel and equal. So AB we can write it as CD. So since equating 1 and 2, therefore
Yes.
we can directly write what?
Therefore,
DC.
AB is equal
Therefore,
AB is equal to BL.
AB is equal to BL.
BL. That means what? Equating
1 and 2.
Equating 1 and 2. AB is equal to BL. So
AL
second
is equal to DC.
part, okay. First part, okay. Then third part,
AL is equal
AL
to
is
2.
equal to 2DC.
AL is equal to, first you write AB plus BL, that is better. AB plus, we have to find AL is equal to 2DC, don't write directly. Write this step. AB plus BL, that is AL is equal
AL
to
is equal to DC plus
DC.
DC.
we can write
DC
it
plus
DC plus BL also,
DC
we
plus
can write it as DC.
DC.
That is, we are writing
AL
from,
is equal
we
to
are taking
Equal
this
to
from 1 and 2, we are writing this, okay. These all things no need of, these reasons no need, this for your knowledge only. From 1 and 2, we got this. A, B is equal
therefore
to
AL is equal to 2DC.
Therefore, AL is equal to 2DC.
hence 2. Hence 2. Okay. Clear enough?
Yes, ma'am.
The next question number 10. What about question number? That angle finding only. Question number 10. That is easy. Just write the given figure AB is equal to DB. We want to find the value of X and Y. How can we find the value of X and Y? Just try it. Take your pencil, draw the figure, take a pencil. Just find out angles. No need to prove. Angle finding only. Question number 10. A, B, C, D. So these two sides are equal and these two sides are equal. That means AC is equal to DC and the BD is equal to AD. AB is equal to DB. Question number 10. In the given figure, AB is equal to DB and AC is equal to BC. Angle ABD is given as, this full angle is given as 58 degrees. Angle DBC. DBC is This only. This is given as what? This angle 2x minus 4
2x.
minus 4 degree. Then ACB, this one, ACB,
Yes. Y plus 50 degree.
y plus 15.
And
Then
angle DCB.
DCB 63. This is 63 degree. Find the value of x and y. So if you want to, if you find this now, this angle will get 2x minus 4. We want to find this x and this y. Okay. Think. First we have to find the congruency. First we have to find the congruency, then we can directly say these two angles. Corresponding parts of congruent triangles are congruent means CPCTC means all the angles on the sides are equal. No. So first we can find the congruency of that. Check whether these two triangles are congruent or not. Then we can directly write these two angles are equal. We can find the values. So how can we find these two triangles are congruent? Consider which two triangles? Triangle ABC and
Consider triangle
ABC and
ABC and
BC.
DBC.
DBC.
okay, right. Consider directly we can write a proof because this is the angle finding question now. Or we want to write a given. Okay, that is okay, congruency. No? Congruency means we can write what are the things given. Given, that is better. Given AD
AB is equal to
ABC
BD.
is equal to DB and AC is equal
AC is equal to DC.
to DC. Then so many things given no. All the angles, angle DBC is equal to what? 2x minus 4 degree. Then angle ACB is equal to y plus 15 degree. Then angle DCB is equal to 63 degree. Okay. To prove?
Proof values.
To prove. Not to prove values. First we are finding which one? Congruency, no.
Congruency.
Yes.
To prove.
Triangle.
To prove
Triangle AB.
ABC
A
is congruent to
congruent to
triangle
DBC. This we want to prove, no. This is our main
Yes.
aim. Then only we can find out the value of x and y. So for congruency, we have to prove these two triangles are congruent. So proof, consider triangle ABC and triangle DBC. So how can we find the congruency?
BC.
AB is equal to B.
Even
AB is equal to DB. Given
then
AC is equal to
AC is
DC1.
equal to DC. Given
BC is equal to BC. BC is
Very
equal
good.
to BC common.
Common, very good. BC is equal to BC common. So we can directly write what? Yes.
Triangle ABC congruent to triangle DBC.
Congruent to triangle DBC using.
Yes, yes.
SS.
So that means these two triangles are congruent. We got. Then we can say what? Angle. We can say what? These two triangles are congruent means check the angles. So which are the
Angles are
corresponding angles? Which are the corresponding angles? These two triangles are congruent means which will be the corresponding angles?
58 means equal.
58 is equal to what? Which are the corresponding angles? Tell me. If we consider these two, mark it separate, that is better. triangle given.
Angle ACB and angle DCB correspond.
BD. So here A, B, C. A, B, only one line. B, D, one line. Then A, C, two lines. Then here, two lines. So which are the corresponding angles? Tell me. Which two? Angle A will be equal to what?
Angle D.
AB and BD.
Not angle, not side. A will be equal to
Angle D.
angle D.
Angle D.
Then
Angle B will be equal to
C.
just I will give you a clue. Those who don't know, please listen. Just a one line, here two lines. So in between that angle is D. Same way, one line and two lines in between that angle is A. So which two angles will be equal? Angle A will be equal to angle
Yeah,
B.
yeah.
Same way, two lines and without line. Can we say
C.
like that?
Angle C.
angle C. Angle B is equal to angle B.
Angle B is equal to this angle.
Angle
Angle
B.
ABC is equal to angle what?
B.
That means in this
DBC.
triangle,
DBC.
Angle DBC.
Angle
Angle
DBC. Oh, look at this figure.
Angle
ABC. What is that angle ABC? ABC is equal to angle
DBC.
DBC.
BC.
So these two, angle ABC is equal to angle DBC. That means
Angle ACB equal to angle DCB.
angle ACB is equal to
Equal to angle DCB.
DCB, these two angles. So look at this figure. Angle ACB. That is y plus 15, no, is equal to angle ACB is equal to what?
Angle D
DCB.
DCB.
DCB. That is what? It is given there. Tell me.
63 degree.
Angle ACB. What you told? Angle ACB is equal to what? Angle DCB. Angle DCB, isn't it? ACB given as what?
Y plus 15 degree.
Angle
Y
DCB
plus
is given as what? 63, no?
63 degree.
So from there we can write what? Y value we can find out. No, y is equal to what? 63 minus?
63 minus 15.
minus
So y
48.
we got it as 48. So right now, first we can find y. What we can write? CPCTC we wrote, no? Triangle. Up to where we reached? Triangle ABC is congruent to triangle.
Congruent to triangle DBC.
triangle D.
Okay. So right now, angle ACB is equal to angle ACB is equal to angle DCB. Angle ACB is equal to angle DCE. CPCTC corresponding parts of congruent triangles are congruent. So instead of angle ACB, we can replace it as y plus 15 is equal to 63. So y is equal to 63 minus 15, which is equal to 48. Okay.
Ma'am, that angle ACB is equal to angle DCB only.
Where? ACB is equal to angle
CPTC
ACB is equal
side.
to angle DC. Sorry.
B.
DCB. I wrote here. DCB. Okay. DCB. Okay. DCB. Then also up to this completed, no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am, completed.
Also, you since CBCDC, no. Also, we can write what ABC is equal to angle. Also, angle ABC, we can write it as angle DBC. That also what CBCDC.
CPC.
CPC. Corresponding parts of congruent triangles are congruent. DBC. But we have what? Angle DBC is what? DBC. Look at DBC.
2x minus
2x
4.
minus 4 degree.
Angle
Same.
DBC is equal to 2x minus 4 degree. Therefore, we can write angle ABC also what? 2x minus 4. Isn't it?
Minus 4.
Since these two are equal, we can write both the value 2x minus 4. Look at the figure. A, B, C given 58. What is that 58? When I rub these all things,
Angle ABD.
ABD.
the total angle is 58. ABD, angle ABD is given as 58 total. Split that ABD as what? Angle ABC
ABC
plus angle CBD. That we can write it as 58, no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Instead of CBD, we can write it as DBC. That is better.
DBC.
ABC plus DBC is 58. That means ABC we know.
2x minus
DBC
4
also we know.
plus 2x minus 4 is equal to
ABC
50.
is 2x minus 4, no?
2x minus 4
2x minus 4 degree plus.
plus
And all
2x
you have
minus
to
4.
use degrees and all. That's actually like 2x minus 4. 2x minus 4 is
6 minus 4
plus
plus
2x minus
2x minus 4.
TBC also 2x minus 4 is equal to 58. 2x plus 2x, 4x minus 8
4x
is equal to
minus 8
58.
is equal to 58.
58.
4x is equal to
X is equal to
58.
50.
58 plus 8. 58 plus 8, 66. 4x is equal to 66. X is equal to 66 by 4.
by
By 4. So x is equal to decimals. Cancel first. 6 divided by 4 cancel. 33, no? 33 divided by 2. 16.5 degree. Therefore, hence we can write x is equal to 16.5 degree and y is equal to, by what value we got?
Y
48.
48.
Y 48. So x and y we got. Okay. Clear now?
Yes, ma'am. Clear.
Then question number 11. 12 we can do. First we can do 12. Only 5 minutes time now. 12 we can do. 11 I want to explain, so 12 we can do. Tomorrow we can do. Monday we can do 11, 12. 12, 12. In a triangle ABC, AB is equal to AC. Show that altitude AD is median also. Altitude, median. What is altitude? What is median? No idea.
Yes, ma'am.
12th question. In triangle ABC. So triangle ABC. A, B, C. Then AB is equal to AC. That means it is an isosceles triangle. AB is equal to AC. Show that AD is the median also. AD is the median also. AD is the median also. So how can we? For these type of problems, we have to find out what? First congruency we have to find out. No, if we consider these two triangles, which are the two triangles? To prove AD, altitude AD is median. Altitude AD is the median also we have to find out means. First we have to find out the congruency. So consider which two triangles?
Consider A, B, D, and
AD
A,
and
B,
angle
ACD.
AD.
ACD
and
belongs
ACD.
to these two triangles are congruent, isn't it?
Congruent.
So for that given
Given
ABC,
AB equal to AC.
AB is equal to
ABC equal to AC.
AC.
One thing. Anyone have any doubt in this type of questions? How to take a given to prove? Please raise your hands. No one. Okay. So AB is equal to AC. Gautam. Okay. What is your doubt? Tell me.
Ma'am, sometimes I got confusion how to take.
What
Is
is
this A?
which two triangles? What is your doubt?
Yes, ma'am. That time, sometimes I don't know to take how to take which one to take. I don't.
Okay. So this is clear, no? These two triangles only two
Yes,
are
ma'am.
there.
This one I know. Yes,
No
ma'am.
complicated problems, no. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So in this which question, first two, question number 10, which question you have doubt? Tell me. Question number 9, I think. No. 9.
Yes, ma'am.
9. It will be already in that question itself. Depending upon that question only we can take. How can we? 9th question. Triangle DC is congruent to triangle LBE means we can take only which one? No need of drawing extra triangles and all. We can direct two triangles are there. That triangles we want to find it as that two triangles are congruent we want to find. So take that triangles. Read the question properly. Then it will be very clear from the question itself. So one
Okay,
thing we can conduct a class test of 9A. Which day? Monday. Only one question. From that I will give
Ma'am,
you one.
assessment.
Not same as assessment test. Class time itself. 5 minutes or 10 minutes time I will give you. Monday morning. After that we can start the class. Monday morning itself. Only one question. I will give one question to each one. That is better. Question number 1 for one. Suppose question number 1 for roll number 1. Question number 2 for roll number 2. Like that way. So you should study all the problems. Okay. Not the same question. Different questions. Study this for Monday. Otherwise, you will not study. Okay, so AB is equal to AC. Also given what? Hello, tell me. So that altitude AD is the median also means given what AD is altitude. AD
Common for both triangles.
No, given
AD is the altitude.
AD is the
AD is the altitude.
altitude is given. We had to prove that that altitude is what? Median. So AD is altitude is given. AD is the median we have to find out.
prove.
AD is altitude means that we can write it as what? That is, since given AD is the altitude, that is, altitude means we can say AD is perpendicular to
BC.
That is the meaning of that. No, AD is the altitude. Then prove.
Yes,
To
ma'am.
prove what?
Prove triangle ABD congruent.
No.
AD is a median.
AD
AD
is
is
to prove AD is the median. That we have to prove. For proving which one AD is the median, we are considering that two triangles. We want to find out that two triangles are congruent. Then only we can say which one AD is the median. From that only. So for that, consider write down proof.
Prove, consider triangle ABD and triangle ACD. PA equal to AC. AD equal to AD common.
Median altitude. So that means these two 90 degree.
Angle ADB is equal to angle
Angle
BC.
ADB is equal
90
to angle
Angle
ADC.
ADC.
ADC 90 degree.
If you need here in given also you can write that is again we can write what AD. AD is the altitude, that means AD perpendicular to BC, that is what, that also you can write, that is what angle ADB is equal to what angle ADC is equal to 90 degree. That all things from this point AD is the altitude, from that point we are getting these two, understood? Is equal to 90 degree. That is given, no?
AD is equal to AC.
Is given. Given. Then AB is equal to AC, that also is given.
Given.
Given. So
AD
think
is
that
AD
this angle 90 degree, opposite of that is the hypotenuse RHS. No.
are
Opposite of that is hypotenuse. So that means we can say already given AB is equal to AC, hypotenuse is AB and AC are the hypotenuse. So we can say if we get one more means we can directly say that using RHS. So angle we got 90 degree. Then hypotenuse AB, that side is known as the hypotenuse in this figure. Then one more.
AD is equal to AD common.
AD is equal to AD common.
Common. AD is equal to AD common.
Triangle
Don't
ABD.
say that as this also side, then this also A. Don't say like that way. Can we do some question we can, which question I do? I forgot that. Which one? AS instead of RHS we wrote like that way, no? Can we write that here?
No, because there is hypotenuse.
Hypotenuse are equal. That is AB is equal to AC is given. So we can directly write which one. Since it is 90 degree, we can write RHS. Therefore, triangle
Triangle ABD is congruent to ACD.
triangle ABCD RHS. Therefore, we can say what?
AD.
Median means AD is equal to median means ED is equal to from this we can write ED is equal to CD. ED is equal to
So
CD.
AD
DC.
DC.
Median BD is equal to DC means we can say D is the midpoint of BC.
Point of
Is
BC.
the midpoint of
D is the midpoint of
BC.
BC. Since D is the midpoint of BC, we proved we can directly say what?
AD is median.
Now, what is the
AD
midpoint?
is
What is
AD is the
what
median.
is median? What is median? Median means what? We studied that, no? What is that median? Median means midpoint line joining. Median of a triangle corresponding to any side is the line joining.
line joining
The midpoint line joining the midpoint of that side with
To
the
the
opposite
opposite
vertex. So midpoint, D is the midpoint means we can say that this line AD, line joining A and D, that is this AD is the median. Okay. Right. Therefore, AD is the median. Therefore, AD is the median. CD is the median. So study median and altitude definition. Okay. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.